In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in ERPNext. We'll walk through a simple, straightforward process that you can follow every time you need a new report. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details you need to fill in so your report is saved and ready to use. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and you're on the main homepage or dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the global search bar. This is usually at the upper right or center, and it's the quickest way to navigate around ERPNext without clicking through multiple menus. Click into the search bar to activate it, and then start typing the word report. As you type, ERPNext will display a list of matching options just below the search field. Give it a second to load the results, and then look for the option labeled Report List. This is the area where all existing reports are stored and where you can create new ones. Click on Report List to open it. Once the Report List page loads, you'll see a table of reports that already exist in your system. At the top right of this page, there should be a button that allows you to add a new report. It may be labeled Add Report or simply New, depending on your version or theme. Go ahead and click on that button to start creating a new report. Now you'll be taken to a form where you can define the details of your report. This is the most important step, so take your time here. You'll typically need to provide a name for the report, choose the reference doc type or document type that the report will be based on, and select the report type, such as a list or query report, depending on what your system allows. Use a clear, descriptive name so other users can easily understand what the report is for. If there are additional fields, like whether the report is standard or custom, or if it should be added to a particular module, fill those in according to your organization's needs. Double check everything you've entered to make sure it's accurate and complete. When you're satisfied with the details, scroll to the top or bottom of the form and click the Save button. ERPNext will save your new report, and it should now appear in the report list, ready for you to open, configure further if needed, and share with your team.